Welcome to this stunning 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom villa, located on the peaceful outskirts of Fortuna, one of Murcia's most charming towns. This exceptional property offers the perfect balance of luxury, comfort, and lifestyle. The beautifully landscaped gardens are truly breathtaking, with mature palm and olive trees creating a tranquil Mediterranean setting. At the front of the villa, a tastefully designed covered terrace is the perfect spot for enjoying your morning coffee or dining alfresco with family and friends. As you arrive, you're greeted by a spacious parking area, ideal for hosting guests or accommodating multiple vehicles. At the rear of the property, 2 oversized garages provide ample space for caravans or additional storage, ensuring practicality meets elegance. To the side of the villa, you'll find a large private swimming pool surrounded by multiple seating areas, perfect for soaking up the sun or entertaining. And for a touch of luxury, there's a 5-person jacuzzi, inviting you to relax and unwind after a long day. A few steps down, a grassy area leads to a covered seating space and a fully equipped outdoor kitchen, ideal for hosting barbecues or enjoying peaceful evenings outdoors. As you step inside the villa, you'll immediately notice the bright and spacious living room, thoughtfully designed with comfort in mind. It features air conditioning, a pellet stove, a wood-burning fireplace, and gas central heating throughout, ensuring the home is cozy year-round. The open-plan kitchen is fully renovated with sleek modern finishes and quality appliances, offering both style and functionality. The kitchen flows into a dining area, creating a welcoming space for family meals or entertaining guests. From here, you can access the utility room, which leads directly to the back garden for added convenience. The master bedroom is a true retreat. It's spacious and bright, with fitted wardrobes and 2 large windows that let in plenty of natural light. The ensuite bathroom is equally impressive, featuring a luxurious jacuzzi bath for ultimate relaxation. The second bedroom, also with fitted wardrobes, is conveniently located near the guest bathroom, which includes a walk-in shower. Upstairs, you'll find the villa's hidden gem, a large 3rd bedroom that feels like its own private suite. This space includes a lounge area, an office, and a private ensuite bathroom, perfect for guests, older children, or as your own secluded retreat. The basement is currently set up as a gym and games room, complete with a snooker table. However, This versatile space could easily be converted into a guest bedroom or whatever suits your needs. This villa has been constructed with top-quality materials and features advanced electronics, including remote-operated systems and 24/7 security, providing peace of mind and convenience. Just 2 minutes away, the charming village of Fortuna offers everything you need, from shops and supermarkets to bars and traditional Spanish restaurants. The village is full of local character, with regular markets and community events giving you a taste of authentic Spanish culture. Only 4 minutes from the villa, you'll find the famous Baños de Fortuna, known for their natural thermal spas. These hot springs are renowned for their therapeutic properties and offer a peaceful escape to relax and rejuvenate. And let's not forget the beaches. In under an hour, you can reach the pristine shores of the Costa Blanca, where you'll find crystal clear waters and golden sands. Don't miss the opportunity to make this dream property your own. Contact us today to schedule a viewing and see everything this amazing villa has to offer. Contact Villas for Spain today.